Hello guys, this video is related to IP security. In computing, internal protocol security or IP security is a secure network protocol suite that authenticate and encrypt the packet of data to provide secure encrypted communication between two computers over an internet protocol network. It is used in virtual private network. So IP security include protocol for establishing mutual authentication between agent at the beginning of a session and negotiation of cryptographic keys to use during the session. IP security can protect data flows between a pair of hosts, that is host to host, between a pair of secure gateways, that is network to network, or between a security gateways and host, that is network to host. IP security use cryptographic security service to protect communication over internet protocol, that is IP network. It supports network layer peer authentication, data origin authentication, data integrity, data confidentiality, and replay protection. IP security AH header format. So AH is what? Authentication header. The size of the authentication data field is variable to support different datagram length and hashing algorithm. So we will see the diagram of AH header. So this is authentication header format. It includes next header. The size is 1 byte. It contains the protocol number of the next header after the AH. It used to link header together. Next bit is payload length. Size is 1 bit. Then payload length, despite its name, its field measure the length of the authentication header itself, not the payload. Next is reserve. So this reserve is reserved for future use. Then security parameter index SPI, 32-bit value that when combined with the destination address and security protocol type, which here is obviously the one for AH, it identifies the securities association to be used for the datagram. Next is sequence number. This is a counter field that is initialized to 0 when a security association is formed between two devices and then incremented for each datagram sent using that SA. This uniquely identifies each datagram on an SA and is used to provide protection against reply attack. Next is authentication data. So this field contains the result of the hashing algorithm performed by the AH protocol, the integrity check value, that is ICV. So this is header format for authentication header. Then we will see ESP in next video.